Hello, in front of me I've got NFL 26. In this video I'll show you how to adjust coaches' abilities. In the beginning, let's go to franchise and go to central coach. Enter abilities, and here we've got the abilities of each coach. To upgrade abilities, you need points. You can see green points in the top right corner of your game. To upgrade, select ability and upgrade. To get upgrade points, you need to finish goals. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.